Hi everyone, it's George from Charlie Oven here, and I'm just making a video today to show you something very exciting which we've released recently. Some of you may have seen that we've released an outdoor kitchen, and alongside it we've also made a wonderful configurator which basically can let you make your perfect layout for your garden. So today I'm just going to show you how to use it and how to make your perfect layout. If you've just gone to our website, you'll see top right hand corner button for the configurator. Go into there and you'll be led to this page here which lets you choose whether you already have an oven or whether you want to have an oven in the design as well. So I'm going to put it through just as saying we want to have an oven in the design because it looks good. So you'll be led with this and you'll see we've got an oven in here. So the easiest way to start, I would say, is to go over here, click all, and you can see all these little layouts that we've made already. So these have all been designed by us, approved, and you can see all the different layouts we've made. So we've got some L-shaped ones, we've got some straight ones, we've got some U-shaped ones as well. You've got already a lot of layouts which you can pick from here, and you can also modify them as well, which I'm going to show you. So let's start off with an L3. That's quite a nice one. So you'll see it gets loaded in here. You can see all the units down the side here, and you can see your layout here. So it's really easy to navigate. You can move around. Just hold the left-hand button of your mouse or your cursor, and move around with your trackpad or your mouse. You can go all the way around your configuration and see how it is. So to customize it, it's really easy. All you have to do is press the customize button up here. You'll be led to all our cabinets that we've got, and you can add them in. So I'm going to add in another fridge. So you'll see the fridge gets dropped off here. You can grab it, you can move it around, you can turn it around as well. We've got arrows here for turning things around. I'm going to put it next to the sink over here. I think that looks pretty good. So let's say that I want to change it around. Maybe the sink isn't what I want to go for. Easy enough to get rid of it. So you just click on it, click the remove button up here, and it's gone. So it's easy to move things around, change things, delete things. If I wanted to move that, I could move that out. I can move that here. I can move that back in. Accessory holder can go back in there. So yeah, it's really easy to configure your own kind of layouts. And yeah, even if you wanted to say turn to a U-shaped configuration, you can select what you want. I'm going to add a corner unit in here. Turn that round so it's the right way. Drop that in there. I could go in here again. I could find another bar unit. And I could drop that in there as well. So you have to move them away. They can't be too close when you're rotating them because it just gets a bit confused. But drop that in there. You see now we've got a double bar unit area space in our kitchen, which is really nice. And I just wanted to show you a couple other things as well. So with a couple of the units, we've got a couple of different options you can have within them, so they're variants. So for example here, as you see, I've just dropped in our bar unit over here. So this comes in two kind of configurations. You can either have the base one, which doesn't have the bar back on it, but if you want the bar back on, you just press that and adds it in. It all calculates your price for you. There are a couple of other options as well. So for example, if we wanted to put in a base cupboard, you see you can have one shelf, you can have two shelves. We're going to go for a one shelf one. Let's move that in there, rotate it around, drop it in there. But similarly, you can see you can change that later on if you change your mind in there as well. So yes, really easy to make all of your different configurations. Changing color is really easy as well. So at the moment we've got apply to all on. So let's say we want to go to there, look at that. You can change all the colors to our beautiful range that we already have on our website. And yeah, that is the new outdoor configurator. At that point, you can also add it to your basket, go to checkout during the normal kind of Charlie way on our website. So I hope you get on well with it. If you have any questions, feel free to get in contact. Also, if you want us to design a custom kitchen for you, we can definitely do that too. So we've got a contact form on our main website, which will let you get in contact with us, and we can help you build your perfect outdoor kitchen just by booking you in and doing it over online, a video call. Great. Thank you very much.